What happens when you microwave paper? And can you actually microwave paper, or does it set on fire? What happens? So I've got some white paper here. I've also got some paper bags as well to go ahead and test out. Now, recently my partner's sister actually set her microwave on fire by putting in a McDonald's bag and putting it on for 4 minutes. So to start off, I'm just gonna put some paper lying down in there. I folded it once just so that it fits in there. And we're gonna go ahead and put that on for 2 minutes. We'll put that timer for 2 minutes and we'll see if anything happens to the paper. If it starts smoking, if it starts catching on fire, we'll see what happens with flat paper. I personally don't think anything's gonna happen, but we'll see. Okay, so after 2 minutes, nothing really happened to the paper there. If we go ahead and check the temperature, we can see that it got quite hot around 70 or 80 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So it got quite hot, but nothing really happened to the paper. So now let's go ahead and give it a try with just a paper bag lying down. Again, probably nothing's gonna happen, but we're gonna give this one 2 minutes and we're gonna see how it goes. Then we'll head outside and we're gonna scrunch up the paper bags and see if we can set them on fire, because we were able to set both paper towels and cardboard on fire. So I imagine that some scrunched up paper in a microwave will also set on fire. So we'll give this 2 minutes and then we'll head outside. Okay, so that was 2 minutes. And as to be expected, nothing really happened to it. The bag is over boiling temperature though. So as you can see, over 100 degrees Celsius or over 212 degrees Fahrenheit. I can still touch it. Just because it's so thin, the heat dissipates really quickly. All right, now we're gonna take this outside. We're gonna scrunch up this paper and we're gonna see if anything happens, see if it sets on fire. Okay, so here we are outside. Let's go ahead, we'll scrunch up this paper. The smaller the ball of paper, the faster it's gonna set on fire. So we'll scrunch this up. We'll pop that in the middle there. I'll just go and get some water. Got my trusty cup of water here to put out the fire if it does actually ignite. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this on for 5 minutes and see what happens. You can kind of see in there, but obviously being outside, it's not as good of a view. But once it catches on fire, I'm sure we'll see something. Okay, we're about a minute in, a bit over a minute in, and we can start to definitely smell some smoke. Okay, we got fire. We are on fire now. So that was at the 2 minute mark. And as you can see, this thing is completely on fire. We'll go ahead, we'll put that fire out. It only took 2 minutes to set that paper bag on fire, scrunched up. And as you saw, as soon as it was on fire, it was completely on fire. So can you put paper in a microwave? Look, you can. And as we saw, when the paper was flat, we had it in there for 2 minutes, no smoke or anything. But as soon as we scrunched it up, as soon as that paper was scrunched up, then you can definitely set things on fire. And this happened as well for paper towels and for cardboard. So I'll link up to those videos down below if you want to check them out. They also had the same experience. When they were scrunched up, they would set on fire, but when they were flat, they were fine. So go ahead, check out those videos and be careful when you're putting paper in a microwave. You don't want to set the house on fire. Thanks so much for tuning in. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And until next time, stay cool.